This video is for people with Freightliner Cascadias, or I guess any truck with a plastic bumper. And a lot of cars with this mod. Wraps all the way around. And all it is just garage door insulation. I'll show you how I installed it. It's real simple. Maybe take like 20 minutes. You can do it. Basic hand tools, self-tapping screws to their plastic washer. And I'll show you under here how it looks. I tried using double-sided tape, but for some reason it wasn't sticking to the rubber. I don't know, I was using the 3M tape. Had no luck with it. A little something to add extra onto the truck.